Hello everyone, good morning, and to this video I will do unboxing video. I got a package from Dermadry. They sent me the new upgraded kit, so I will show you guys what's inside of their upgraded kit. If you can see, I didn't use it because I wait to do unboxing video before I will use this one. So this is the new one. I've been using Dermadry for how many years now? I started using, I think, 2018 because my hands and feet is always sweat. So I've tried searching, different types of machines, tablets. So I found Dermadry. It's very good. It's worth it of your money. So this is the new one. This is the upgraded machine. They send this for free. I'm using how many years, and I have my old one with me. See, they have very nice transparent box. So they have this one. Before, I'm using a metal palette, but this one is not. I will compare the old one. So this is my old one. You see? This is my old one. And this is the box. It's very old now because I've got this one 2018. Before, I'm using a towel. This towel goes to here, like that, like this. So the new one, so I have the new controller, adapter, this wire, and there is also for underarms. So this one, this is from my old machine. This one, all you need is to put this one in here and then put this one. So I don't need the towel anymore, which is very good. Thank you, Dermadry. This video is sponsored by Dermadry. You just place this one like that, and you can add the water. And then I have this one. Oh, this is very nice. And you just plug in this one in here, and the other one is in here, like that, and you just add water and put your hands. It's very nice compared to the other one. The other one is very big. See, this one is very big. The new one is very small, and you don't need a towel because they have this one, and you don't need the metal palette because they have this one. So it's very nice. If you are interested, I will put the link below, and you can buy one if you need it. So thank you everyone. Thank you, Dermadry.